You know, it's not the destination, it's the adventure along the way, and it seems cliche to say that, but that's really how it is.
The weather situation is much worse across the country. 26 deaths are being blamed on this cold snap.
I can tell you from experience, I mean, if I'm going into something that's really intense and the level of intensity is totally brought down a notch.
When we asked to go there, he said, no. You cannot escape from this place.
He does not want to be in this area at all.
And let's go get tons of fuel and go here.
What planet the fuck are you from?
One of the points in my life where I could say, like, no one else has ever been here, ever.
When you think of going someplace unique or different, each and every one of us is going to have a different idea of what we want to accomplish. I can honestly say I would have never imagined what those guys had in mind.
That's the beauty, and the rest will fall into place. Funny thing is, none of us are really campers.
It's the same deal with any great trip. The sense of accomplishment by the end of it is the greatest feeling.
Sunshine beating on the good times, moonlight racing from the grave, string band playing more that honky tonks, pretty young thing going dancing in the rain. High heel lady spitting at the knickerjacks, businessman with a needle and a spoon, coyote chewing on a cigarette, pack of young boys going howling at the moon. Hey darling, sleeping on the blacktop. Hey darling, running through the trees, honey. Hey darling, leaving for the next town. Lesson my set sketches up with me. Three dead in a crash on a number 4. 2 witnesses blown up high. Not sure whose will be done. You can call me a sinner for wondering why. Hey darling, sleeping on the blacktop. Hey darling, running through the trees, honey. Hey darling, leaving for the next town. Lesson my set sketches up with me. Liquor tastes sweeter in this town. Could it be it's the same as the last? I swear I've seen your face elsewhere before, just as familiar as a bottle and a glass. Hey darling, sleeping on the blacktop. Hey darling, running through the trees, honey. Hey darling, leaving for the next town. Lesson my set sketches up with me. Hey darling, sleeping on the blacktop. Hey darling, running through the trees, honey. Hey darling, leaving for the next town. Lesson my set sketches up with me. Lesson my sense catches up with me.
ready now. I ain't gonna fall back down, no. Alright, I'm take it on me, baby. Alright, I ever ask, are you gonna be my lover tonight? I take it with me. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. Alright, I'm ready now. I ain't gonna stop right now. Alright, I take it on me, ooh baby. Alright, I ever ask, do you wanna see my fire tonight? Take it with me, ooh baby. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind.
I've been fucking around while you've been saving the world. I've been out of my mind, I've been dreaming things and scheming things. I've been smoking the poison, you've been slinging your anecdotes. I've been fucking around while you were saving the world from nothing. The end, things will never go our way in the end, things will never go. So take it in, don't hold your breath. The bottom's all I found. We can't get higher than we get on the long way down. On the long way down. On the long way down. Burning mud in my eyes, blinding me from the truth. If there's a shadow in me, the dark is a tidal wave inside of you. Taking shots of communion, getting drunk on your antidote. I'll save you a seat next to me down below. The end, everyone will go away in the end, everything will go. So take it in, don't hold your breath.
But what island have you been on for 5 days?
I have definitely been on Dick Island for 5 days.
Oh yeah. I guess it would be nice.
I'm just here because I see incredible potential in the city.
He is such a phenomenon when he buckles in.
What's your best joke?
The best joke?
Yeah.
You know the Jeffrey Dahmer?
Yeah.
Okay, one day he invited his mom for a dinner. She started, she always vision her mom. Her mom vision him about, that he don't like this, he don't like that. Then he said, okay, Jeffrey, I have to tell you this. I really don't like your friends. And I said, okay, Mom, eat the vegetable.
You know what? I might sound stupid to you, but I've been on Google. I know what the internet is. I've been on there. I've been hearing what you've been saying about that's it, that's all. Oh, is it gonna be too much of a documentary? Oh, it's gonna be too long. They're gonna have too much emo music. I want more rock and roll. Give me some more rap. There's too much powder, not enough handrails. Shut it! You know what? I do not care what you think. Shut your open mouth when you're talking to me, because this is gonna be a darn good movie.